The present simple tense and the present continuous tense are both present tenses and mean the present time. So they both describe everything that is now, any time that includes now. But there is a difference between now in the present simple tense and now in the present continuous tense. In the present simple tense, now means now plus usually or always. In the present continuous tense, now means only right now, at this moment, or during this period of time. Temporary, but not usually, always. The simple aspect in the present simple tense means that the action or state is just simple, without any aspects. The continuous aspect in the present continuous tense expresses the continuation of the action. Something is progressing, ongoing, continuously happening. So, the present simple tense describes a fact, and the present continuous tense describes a process. So, we use the present simple tense to describe that something happens always or for a long period of time, for a few years at least. And the present continuous tense to describe that something is happening at this moment or during the short period of time. The present simple tense is used to display of permanent, usual situations. And the present continuous tense is used to display temporary, unusual situations. The present simple tense describes regular, unchanging actions and states. And the present continuous tense can describe changing actions. Remember that the present simple tense is used with action verbs and stative verbs, but the present continuous tense only with action verbs. Time indicators help to determine the tense in a sentence. For the present simple tense, following time indicators are typical: always, usually, often, sometimes, never, on Wednesdays, every Wednesday, twice a week, once a month, in general, every day. For the present continuous tense following time, indicators are typical: now, right now, at this moment, at the moment, at present, these days, nowadays, this year, this month, this week.